Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you guys might have noticed one thing. In the last 24 hours, as Bitcoin slowed down its momentum and it's a little bit less volatile, just sitting between 98 and 99,000 and consolidating, all the other altcoins are slowly starting to show a little bit of momentum. But one thing that you need to pay attention to is meme coins. They have actually not shown any sort of gains in the last 24 hours. What does this mean? Well, let me just tell you one thing. The whole market is waiting for Bitcoin to hit 100k to go explosive. I mean, if you just look at Dogecoin, you can see that it's holding over 39 cents quite well, while the trading volume is making a recovery. So especially once Dogecoin is going to go explosive, all the other meme coins are going to do well. And what is Dogecoin waiting for? Bitcoin to hit that 100k, so more inflow of cash, and the whales are going to take profit and throw it into smaller coins with the cycle. If you pay attention, 65,000 Bitcoin have been withdrawn from exchanges in just the last 96 hours. That's worth about 6 billion. Dogecoin price forecast: 300,000 new users by Dogecoin in the last 10 days since Trump era has begun. And let me just say, more great things are to come for Dogecoin very soon. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything relating to Dogecoin and the whole crypto market, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just up to YouTube algorithm, push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market and Dogecoin. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, and the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. Now, first thing I want to show you guys is this. Now, this is the most important phase that Dogecoin is facing. The fact that it has not actually went down and retested close to 35 cents ever since it broke below it already says a lot of things in terms of how strong the community is working together to ensure that Dogecoin price stays in this consolidation phase. Now, not only Dogecoin, but also if you pay attention to the meme coins in general, you'll realize that nothing has really short up today. Everything is pretty much in a standstill, and that's only if you talk about meme coins. If you talk about other criteria such as AI related crypto, or you talk about other ones such as the Solana ecosystem, you will realize that the gaming tokens are also doing well. But what does this mean? Well, in simple terms, you need to understand one thing. One thing that always happens is the crypto market climbs very quickly, and straight after, the meme coins are going to do well. But when meme coins shoot off, they give you 5 times your money in less than 3 days. And that's exactly what could happen with Dogecoin as well. Just to give you perspective, Dogecoin price forecast: 307,000 new users buy Doge in the last 10 days. Now, that's a huge number. This is how many new users have just gone in and purchased themselves Dogecoin. Not the whales are buying. This is actually new people that are actually entering the crypto market through Dogecoin. After 10-day consolidation, Dogecoin price is now above its volume weight, which is the average price level of 39 cents. Signaling a strong bullish momentum, which is definitely going to push up the market even harder. If you do not know, the US dollar is slowly starting to get quite strong, and that's causing our boy Trump is the reason for this. And if you talk about the crypto market, it's doing something similar. Now, our bull Powell says Dogecoin next to surge in the Great Banana Rotation. Now, as I mentioned, the way that everything is working, it's pretty much in a cycle. The way that Bitcoin just shot up so quickly, and now it's struggling to ensure that it's able to capture the 100,000. There's so many people that are anticipating Bitcoin to cross the 100k, but it's actually fallen between the 98 and 99,000 for a long period of time. This is going to cause a lot of fear, and a lot of people are going to be deciding to take the market out or take their money out. Now, if you talk about Dogecoin, you can see that it's holding really strong, and as I mentioned, staying over 39 cents and being able to capture 40 cents could be the next big thing that Dogecoin needs to do to ensure that it's able to keep climbing and make sure it shows an explosion. If we talk about the open interest, it's up another 13%, nearly crossing 3 billion, which is just impressive to say the least. And the long to the short ratio is still not showing any signs of slowing down, 74% to 26%. And if we talk about liquidations, well, let's just say the shorts have not had a good day, 4 million being liquidated. Now, the TD substantial presents a sell signal on the Bitcoin 4-hour chart, anticipating a brief correction to 97,000. A candle close above 100k will invalidate the bearish formation and push the market to about 104,000. I know this sounds like a lot to take in, but let me tell you one thing. The way that Dogecoin is performing right now, it's definitely gearing up and making sure that once Bitcoin starts climbing, it wants to be the biggest survivor out of all. Dogecoin has soared by 300% in 2024. Is it a better buy than Bitcoin? Well, right now, yes. There is a lot of different whales which are buying into Dogecoin, and Dogecoin is not showing an explosion. The reason I keep comparing it to something that we have seen before, this is the exact type of phase that we have noticed before. Usually the whales are accumulating, but the market is not performing the way it should be. Then we see a little bit of upwards momentum, downward, and then boom, that's the explosion. Then consolidation, another explosion, and you can see that something similar is following through. And trust me, this next explosion will most likely put us to its all-time high. Now, Dogecoin signals caution. Is a price drop needed before a rally? And the answer is no, because just going under 35 cents and retesting that and seeing how quickly we were able to recover, there is no price correction needed for Dogecoin. Now, boy, Dogecoin can succeed by signaling or scaling back its ambition. Now, you guys know that Doge will be led by Elon and also our boy Vivek. The way that they are trying to do so much bold moves in just the starting is kind of insane. Yes, Doge can do good things, but they definitely need to slow down. But one other thing which is crazy and you should be paying attention to is the fact how much Dogecoin has in its near future. First of all, Doge, which is part of the government, X Payments, which will be coming to Twitter, and SpaceX, which will be launching the Doge 1 mission. So you guys know that there's a lot of things happening. Now, Chao's incoming CEO regrets not buying crypto, confirms entry into the crypto spot ETF. This is incredible. Now, this is really wonderful how much money is actually going to be flowing into the crypto spot ETF, and there is a little bit of tease that Dogecoin ETF could be coming out. And Russia authorities confirm 150 crypto mining application. MicroStrategy secures 3 billion for Bitcoin expansion. So more bigger infrastructure is being built around Dogecoin and Bitcoin. UK finalizes crypto regulatory framework by early 2025. So the regulations are going to be happening, but before that, the more and more Bitcoin is going to be able to cover, it's definitely going to allow for bigger negotiations. Other than that, we got a long way to go. Just be a little patient. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and I'll see you soon.